Ready to ditch the cable box and enjoy live TV on your Samsung Smart TV? Let's get YouTube TV connected in a flash. First, turn on your Samsung Smart TV and navigate to the Apps section. It's usually found on the home screen, symbolized by an icon that looks like a grid of squares or a house. Once you're in the Apps section, use the search bar to type in YouTube TV. Use your remote to type each letter, using the on-screen keyboard. Select the YouTube TV app from the search results. Then, click the Install button. The download and installation process might take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. After installation, select Open to launch the YouTube TV app. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Choose your preferred sign-in method. You can either use your phone or computer to activate, or sign in directly on the TV using your Google account credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. Voila, you're now connected. Browse through live channels, on-demand content, and personalize your viewing experience. If you encounter any issues, double-check your internet connection and ensure your Samsung Smart TV software is up to date. You can usually find software update options in the TV settings menu. Enjoy endless entertainment on your big screen.